four, three, two, one.
Ultimate Top 10.
I think we can all agree that we're living in the future right now. Jennifer here has a smartphone that enables her to order a ride home, control the temperature, turn on the lights, pay for things. Face it, we're living in a technological wonderland. And yet here we find Phil. Phil's forgotten the combination of his travel lock. Here's the current solution to that problem. We live in an era filled with technological marvels, and yet this is what happens when Phil forgets a lock combination. Is that the best we can do? No, because we live in an era where the AirBolt exists. The AirBolt is a travel lock you control with your smartphone. It's the lock the future deserves. A lock with customizable security settings. This AirBolt opens whenever my phone is within Bluetooth range. Or maybe you don't trust anyone in your life. That's fine. The settings on this AirBolt require me to enter a password into the app. Or maybe your AirBolt's been stolen. That's fine too, because you can set your AirBolt to activate an alarm when it moves too far away from your phone. Or you can activate the alarm manually. Stop that man. It's the justice the future deserves. Hi, Bill.
Hi.
Tell them what happened, Bill.
I lost my bag.
You lost your... We live in a world where I can use my smartphone to monitor my sleeping patterns, but Bill here can't find his bag. If Bill had been using the AirBolt instead of some antique, he could have located it using the AirBolt's crowdsourced GPS network. Or what if you lose your phone? Well, you can still unlock your AirBolt by logging in from another device. Or you can enter a backup button code using your hands, like some kind of prehistoric man. The AirBolt has a rechargeable battery, which only needs to be charged once a year via a standard micro USB connector. It's TSA approved, so airport security is not an issue. The app will record a history of every time you've locked and unlocked your AirBolt. You can even share access to your AirBolt with your friends, so you'll be able to unlock it from the other side of the world. Thanks, pal. You're welcome, buddy. And look how small it is. Seriously, look at it. It's really small. AirBolt. It's the travel lock we all deserve.
My name is Laurent Schnauer. I'm co-founder of Fly. I'm really passionate about new technologies, and I naturally fell in love with drones when I first met them a few years ago. I'm convinced that in the future we'll have flying robots around us helping us in our daily lives. But before that, we must overcome a few challenges, in particular with respect to safety and usability. So what we did at Fly is to go back to the drawing board and invent the flying robot of the future. It had to be safe, robust, and with a great user experience. We've been hacking around in my attic for about a year, building prototypes out of balsa wood and DIY electronics. And after many trials, Fly eventually stayed in the air and proved to us that it was all possible. So based on this, we managed to convince Pierre Loest, who is a famous Belgian entrepreneur, but also a talented drone pilot. He became really enthusiastic about the project and decided to invest.
Quand j'ai vu pour la première fois Fly, j'ai tout de suite compris que ce n'était pas un drone, c'est autre chose. C'est comme un dessin de Da Vinci ou de Spielberg qui prend réalité devant vous. Prenez Fly en main et vous comprendrez pourquoi j'ai décidé d'investir dans ce projet.
What makes Fly design so innovative? It's made of a single shielded propeller and 4 control vanes for stability. It has the same size and weight of a soccer ball. It's packed with sensor, a powerful onboard computer, a HD camera and a Wi-Fi connection. We wanted Fly to be smart and autonomous, so you don't have to be always piloting it. You can select a simple mission through the mobile app and just enjoy the live streaming.
Hi Indiegogo, I'm Jesse.
And I'm Ryan. Last year, we launched PiTop, the world's first Raspberry Pi laptop. Now that we've shipped our first patch, thousands of you have been building your own PiTops, learning to code, create hardware, and 3D print.
You helped launch a maker revolution, and that's why we're back on Indiegogo, so that you, the people who helped start this all, can be the first supporters of our newest product, PiTop Seed, the $99 Raspberry Pi desktop anyone can use. PiTop Seed has a 13.3-inch HD screen and a 180-degree hinge for a wide range of viewing angles. The front-facing acrylic slice gives you easy access to your Raspberry Pi and circuitry.
Once you plug in your PiTop Seed, you gain access to a world of free maker resources, starting with your own Built for Makers by Makers operating system, PiTop OS. With PiTop OS, you can easily connect to Wi-Fi, change your screen brightness, customize your desktop experience, and download a huge range of Raspberry Pi resources. And yes, you can even play Minecraft.
PiTop Seed isn't just about having a great way to use Raspberry Pi. We're committed to providing free and fun learning resources that teach you how to code and build hardware from day one. Seed Universe is an online game you can play with friends. In this open-ended world, we break down the complex technical aspects of making into fun quests. Connect a breadboard to your PiTop Seed and learn how to create circuits that will help you in game. Don't have a breadboard? Don't worry. We also emulate key hardware components so you can learn how to make without all the bits and pieces.
Seed Universe isn't the only bit of learning software available. You can also access all of these great resources and more. You can even create Word documents and Excel spreadsheets using LibreOffice.
My co-founder and I started with a goal: to make computing education awesome. So we set about creating PiTop in my living room. Our small budget defined our affordable philosophy to computing. We built a desk that we built our 3D printer on that we used to print out the first PiTop prototype. Thankfully, we came to Indiegogo and were funded in just 48 hours. We've now grown our team and moved out of the living room into offices in London. From nothing, we have now traveled around the world to make thousands of PiTops and successfully delivered them to over 47 different countries.
We learned a lot when producing PiTop, but importantly, we developed our production line and supply chain, and we can now make thousands of devices a month.
1977. Personal computer manufacturers were founded. The PC business was about to grow big. Really big, but bigger isn't always better. Meet the Ockel Series B, the world's first complete Windows 10 PC that fits into your pocket. As light and small as a smartphone, yet as powerful as a desktop PC. It's fast, it's incredibly easy to use, and it's now available on Indiegogo.
Hi, my name is Douwe. I am part of the Ockel team and I'm very proud to introduce the Series B Pocket PC to you here on Indiegogo. We are a team of Dutch technology addicts all working at Avanza. Avanza is a company that started in 2008 in a living room and is now the second fastest growing technology company in the Netherlands. The past 7 years has given us the experience and the skill we need to work on this exciting project and to launch the Series B.
Everyone is connected 24/7 nowadays. The amount of media we consume is incredible. Here at Ockel we realize there is a huge desire and need to make technology even more portable. That's why we are creating the first PC that fits into your pocket without handing in on performance. The size of our Pocket PC is close to smartphones such as iPhone 6 or Samsung Galaxy S6. It weighs only 120 grams or 4.2 ounces, which isn't more than a couple of slices of bread. You hardly realize you're carrying a complete computer with you. This white dwarf is equipped with the most advanced technologies available. You can use the Series B wherever you want. All you need is an HDMI screen and optionally a mouse and/or keyboard. the millions of Windows 10 applications take care of everything else. Whether you like to watch a movie, surf the web, play a game, or have to work, the Series B handles it all.
We believe the OCCL Series B is great for many people. Business owners, freelancers, students, travelers, and Netflix lovers. The OCCL Series B is a product that is fit for basically everyone. We have entered the final stage of product development and are ready for our first production run. We have partnered up with Indiegogo to make this happen, and we would be thrilled if you decide to back our project. If you do so, we promise that we will ship the OCCL Series B before Christmas 2015. Could there be any better gift?
Hey Indiegogo, I'm Kent, the creator of RevoLights. I'm here today to share with you an idea we've been working on for the last year, the RevoLights Eclipse. As with the original, this new version of RevoLights will provide unprecedented 360-degree visibility with a functional headlight that allows you to see where you're going, and a smart tail light that can sense your speed and will flash when slowing down. We're on Indiegogo to add the next level of function into our newest version of the lights. We want to add in the ability to connect our already smart lights to your phone to provide a number of awesome features. For starters, real-time battery life, so you can make sure your lights are always ready for your next ride. With Eclipse, the battery now snaps directly into the ring, making it much more accessible while removing any need for cables or parts near the hub and making installation a snap. We want our lights to work with any riding style, so this new version will include a feature that recognizes the time of day and turns the lights on for you if it senses you're about to ride. To achieve the lighting effect, RevoLights calculate your speed, and for the first time we'll be able to give you this data so you can accurately track your speed and distance and work towards riding goals. When developing RevoLights, we focused on creating innovative, essential tools for commuters, like handlebar-activated turn signals to make it easier to grab a driver's attention when turning. We also plan to add features for any commuter, like weather alerts, letting you know ahead of time what to expect and ensuring you never get caught without your jacket. But with all these added functions, we wanted to make sure your lights are secure. So just like with the previous version of our lights, they are designed to be locked up along with your wheels. So if you do have to leave your bike on the street, you don't have to worry about removing them or having them stolen. To celebrate the launch of Eclipse, we partnered with PureFix to bring you special edition bicycles with RevoLights already installed exclusively for Indiegogo. Whether you're an everyday commuter or a more casual rider, we have you covered with the RevoLights Coolidge and RevoLights Arroyo bicycles. And while we're incredibly excited about this new version, we can't do it without your feedback and support. Please help us make this a reality by contributing to our campaign. Thank you.